One more rep. Chest, every doubt, every fear, every voice saying rest, but I don't know, I won't let it bury me down. Got my back to the wall, now I'm turning around. Mirror talks, but I'm done listening. Old me gone, now I'm rebuilding him. Every scar, every flaw, every insecurity, turn to fuel when the pain becomes clarity. I feel it under my skin, like a war I can't win, but I push, I resist. I won't break, not like this. One more. Down, but I'm not there yet. I rebuild with one more rep. Hear the anger ignite, turn the pain into power tonight. I've been lost, but I won't forget who I am with one more rep. One more, one more rep. Pressure rising, yeah, it's closing in. Every failure gotta hold again, but I learned how to break that chain, turn a loss into strength through the pain. My bar drops low, yeah, it tests my soul, but I don't let go, I just take control. Every second I'm under strain is the second I'm breaking the frame. I feel it under my skin, but I won't give in. If I fall, if I slip, I come back, I don't quit. One more rep. I'm fighting myself, every doubt that I felt on the shelf. I've been down, but I'm not there yet. I rebuild with one more rep. I've been lost, but I won't forget who I am with one more rep. One more rep. Break me down, I'll rebuild it. Pain hits hard, I don't feel it. Every scar got a meaning now. Every no turn to I'm winning now. I was stuck in the cycle, I was trapped in my head. Now I'm lifting the weight that I thought was my end. You can doubt, you can watch, you can say I won't last, but I'm built from the pressure I'm made from the bad.